Hello guys, this is Chigozin Martins here once again. We're about to solve the first question on our 100 question Python question solution. So we're about to solve the first question. As you can see, it says write a program which will find all such numbers which are divisible by 7 but are not a multiple of 5 between 2000 to 3200 to be graded. Numbers obtained should be printed in a comma separated sequence. That this keyword here, comma separated sequence, means that the number would actually be a string. So I'm going to be solving this question in two methods. So I'm going to be using something called method one for this. Method one. Yeah, the method one more like we said first things first, I initialize an empty list, and I'm gonna call it list, like the default list, like Python list, giving it an empty list. We all know, for all of us using Python there, we all know another way to initialize such list. You can do something like this. List. Both of these will give us the same result. So I'm gonna say for num, from the hints that we were given, you can see that consider use range begin and end method. So I'm gonna do something like for num, that's the number. Num is the instance variable in range of the start value, which is 2000, and the stop value. Normally we're supposed to use 2300 for the 3200 for the stop value, but in this case scenario, we're gonna be having we're not going to get 3200 because as it says here, it says both included. So we're gonna use 3201 to get this. And when we do that, we're gonna get something like, we're gonna say if num modulo 7 equals 0. As I'm saying, if you divide the instance variable by 7 and you get 0, that's 1. And you try to divide the instance variable num by 5 and you don't get 0, as it says here, and you don't get 0 as it says here, which write a program which will find all such numbers that are divisible by 7 but are not a multiple of 5. This is checking for divisible by 7 and not a multiple of 5. Then we're gonna convert each number. When I say list, we are appending this to the empty list, appending it to the end of the empty list, as you can see. What are we appending? We are appending a string of the what instance variable, which is what number. So after doing this, we're gonna print it in a comma separated sequence. That is exactly the same string. Let him join that string dot join. What is it joining? It's joining our list. And what is the list? This is the list. This is how we do stuff. Method one. If we run this command, we're supposed to see something from our output. Also, when I run it, you see I'm having 2002, 2009. These are the outputs. You can see 2009, 2016. These are the values. So we can actually know what's inside there per se. We say print the length of the list. So this tells us the elements in the list, number of elements in the list. As you can see, we have 138, so we have 138 values in the list there. So we're gonna solve this using question method 2. Saying this should be the method 2 for the problem. Method 2, we're gonna be using a function, because when we put this in a function, it makes it reusable. So all of you Python fans out there, you know how this works. I'm gonna put the stats on the end. These are about keyword arguments. These are about arguments, sorry, per se, like more like the star args thing and the star words. After this tutorial, If y'all need me to do a comprehensive Python tutorial for you guys, I'm gonna do it. But I just need to hear this in the comment section, and I'm gonna be doing it for you guys. So just like we did on the other side, I'm gonna be initializing. I kind of like commenting my code. It gives me that fluidity. So initializing an empty list, initialize an empty list. So first initialize an empty list. Right here we use this method. So I'm gonna be using something like this in this method. So I'm gonna be saying empty lists, empty list. Like so it should be what list. List. Because the list is like it's a function. Like it says everything in Python is an object. So initializing the empty list, and we're gonna be initializing in the end also, which is like the end of the list, which says should be an integer, like making it an integer of the word, and so converting the end to an integer. So I'll say now for, sorry, my bad. So for objects, I can say object. I can use anything for object in range of stats at and end, sorry, typo, end, because we want to get the list included, like it says both included. We're going to be using end plus one, sorry, my bad. We're using end plus one. This is that's the end, or we could be doing it here, like so. Then should be integer end, integer of end, yeah, right, integer of end. It's like converting it and adding it. Should be doing it here, should make a lot of sense here. Okay, let's just keep it cool and simple. Let's do it here for end. Then we'll say if if objects, so it's repeating what we did there, modulo 7 equals 0, and objects modulo 5 is not equal to 0. I'm gonna be bringing out empty lists, empty lists that append. I'm gonna be appending the string of objects to it. Yeah. Then we're gonna return this, which is string that join generates what exists. So as you can see, it's now a function. I'm gonna call this function. Python has an inbuilt keyword already known as callable, so I'm gonna be calling it callable. But it's actually a callable. Callable is like a function. But then I'm gonna make it my own callable, which is my callable underscore, so that it's gonna make a lot of sense. So calling the function down there, we put in start value for 2000 and the end value for what's the end value again? Yeah, 3200. Remember the end value we added one after which. So we're gonna print callable. Yeah, so I'm gonna be replicating what I have here inside of here. So I'm gonna getting callable. So to be sure, after the callable, I'm gonna print also the length of the value, the length of the callable. Yeah, like that. It's callable here. It's callable. Yeah, so that's that. Let's check our code. Run this code. See, get exactly what we want. That's how it works. That's how it's gonna be. That's how it works. So it does work as you can see. Both of them are the same. I'm gonna create this one. So you should just see you need to see running the code once more. So you can see this is it. This is the guy here. See, it's just there. This stops at 3199. Check the other one. This is 3199. Check this is 3199. So yeah, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how it works. I'm gonna be coming with the next question on the PDF. I'm gonna be providing you with more solutions to them. So for then, see you guys. Hope you love this tutorial. Mathematics from DevGrand. Thank you.